The world around us is changing rapidly with every passing day. Thanks to the developments in the field of engineering, it has created a new world of infinite possibilities for us. It inspires us to create something new, to go beyond the ordinary and to achieve utmost excellence. Presenting one such forward-thinking organization in the quest of achieving the unthinkable. VIMAL Bearing Group. Our remarkable journey started in 1993 when our founders Mr. Girish Bhai Padalia and late Mr. Naveen Bhai Padalia started VIMAL Bearing Group. We had a very humble beginning, but today we have two cutting-edge manufacturing units consisting of high-tech machinery at Shapar, Verawal. This advanced infrastructure is spread across 5,000 square meter with a construction area of 50,000 square feet. VIMAL Bearing is an ISO 9001-2015 certified organization, and we manufacture our products under the brand name of VEC Bearings and VPB Bearings. If truth is to be uttered, if truth is to be said, the key to our success story is our extensive product range of roller bearings from ID40 to ID200, consisting wheel and hub units, taper roller bearings, spherical roller bearings, cylindrical roller bearings and ball bearings. VEC Bearings is truly a synonym of technical excellence and superlative quality. We have a significant capacity to manufacture 1.5 million bearings per annum. Every organization needs a leader, someone who knows how to empower others and get the best results from them. VIMAL Bearing has not just one or two, but three such leaders who have taken this organization to the epitome of extraordinary success. Mr. Girish Bhai Padalia, Head of Purchase and Finance Department, a visionary entrepreneur. Mr. Rakshit Padalia, Head of Sales Department, a dynamic mechanical engineer. Mr. Alvish Padalia, Head of Marketing Department, a passionate computer engineer. The achievements of an organization are the results of the combined efforts of its manpower. We are a great team of 150 highly motivated and talented members. Our employees are our biggest asset and the major force behind our wonderful growth and success story. We appreciate their commitment and hard work and aim towards their empowerment. We have a very effective and efficient manufacturing process which enables us to cater to the demands of our customers on time. Forging process, the first stage of bearing manufacturing. VIMAL Bearing uses high-quality bearing steel SAE 52100 or 100 CR6 for manufacturing bearing rings. This forged bearing rings undergoes spheroidized annealing process which improves ductility and toughness with reduced hardness and strength to produce a definite microstructure. After spheroidized annealing, the bearing rings are sent for CNC turning process. Each ring undergoes dimensional and visual checking. One of the important steps for creating a highly durable and long-lasting bearings, our heat treatment process consists of hardening, supercooling and tempering, which gives stabilized ring structure and increases the lifespan of the bearings. Grinding is the most important process of bearings. To achieve accurate dimensions in grinding process, VIMAL's fully automatic machines are capable of manufacturing superior quality bearings under highly qualified team of engineers. VIMAL's manufacturing unit is equipped with the world's best machinery to make world-class quality products. We have 6 fully automatic grinding line. Our machinery includes Gardner USA and TOS Russia surface grinding machine, which ensures surface grinding under maintained tolerance. Centerless grinding machines from WMW Germany and Cincinnati USA, which does the grinding of the outer diameter of the cup under highly maintained tolerance. Internal and external grinding machines are equipped with online marpos in process gauges from Italy for accurate size control. After grinding, rings undergo super finish process on CNC super finish machine, which ensures best roughness values. Before assembling bearings, each and every ring is checked visually, and the size of all the rings are checked by our engineers in our inspection room. Only after passing the quality test, components are taken for assembling. And after the assembling is done, the final product goes for proper packaging and then for dispatch. Our packing department is fully automatic with a capacity of packing 5,000 pieces per day. Rollers are manufactured from SAE 52100 material is super finished in super finish machines to ensure the roughness of the rollers below 0.10 microns. Cage is a very important part of bearing movement. For better quality of cages, we make cages in fully automatic cage manufacturing units, which ensures best quality cages are used in assembling bearings. The best advertisement of a product is its quality, and that's why at VIMAL Bearing, we are obsessed about the quality of our products. We have a dedicated in-house R&D team equipped with the finest quality testing instruments like Mahar Germany Roughness Testing Machine, Mahar Germany Roundness Testing Machine, Mahar Germany Contour Measuring Machine, Rockwell Hardness Testing Machine. The process of quality inspection starts with raw material testing, which is performed at NABL approved laboratory. Each and every bearing goes through a hardness test, roughness test, roundness test, vibration and noise test. We have made our mark in the international market by exporting our products to the UAE, Egypt, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Lithuania, Turkey, Germany, France, Russia, Italy, Spain, USA and South America. Our vision is to be reckoned as one of the most prestigious organizations in the automobile and industrial bearings segment across the globe. And our mission is to expand our product portfolio and market reach by 2025. We have a production target of 3 million bearings per annum by 2025. We believe in the power of technology and people. We believe in the supremacy of the quality of product. VIMAL Bearing Group. We believe in giving our best every time.